Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a quick video. I'm sure a lot of you have heard by now about all the lawsuits against a lot of these hair companies that produce chemical relaxers. But if you haven't heard, I'm here to spread the word and spread awareness to the fact that chemical straighteners, chemical relaxers are ruining our health, especially us Black women, because Black women are the leading consumers of such products. ConsumerNotice.org reached out to me to help spread awareness, and they have a few articles. I'll have them linked down below where you can learn more about the dangers of these relaxers and learn about those lawsuits that are existing right now. But in short, studies have shown that chemical relaxers can cause fibroids, endometriosis, uterine cancer, and breast cancer in women. Now, the biggest issue here is that, according to the lawsuits, these companies were well aware of the dangers of their products but did not warn consumers. So I know most of you who watch my videos probably have locks or have natural hair, but a lot of us relaxed our hair for many years. Me personally, my hair was relaxed for a decade, and I do have a fibroid. Fibroids develop for so many different reasons, including diet and stress and things like that, so there's no way for me to confirm if my fibroid came from relaxers, especially considering the fact that I haven't relaxed my hair since 2009. So that might not be the case for me, right? However, it could be the case for so many people that you know. So I ask that you help me to spread the word of the dangers of these hair products, and I encourage you to use natural hair products. So while we're now made aware that these relaxers have harmful effects, we don't know of the dangers that a lot of other products may have as well. So to reduce your risk of getting any health problems, any health scares, any health concerns, I encourage you to use natural hair products in general, whether you're using shampoos, conditioners, moisturizers, oils, hair lotions, leave-in sprays, hair gels. I know that the unnatural hair products are very accessible. I myself don't always use natural hair products. For instance, when I color my hair, I'm using chemical coloring. I don't always use the most natural shampoos and conditioners as well. So I'm preaching to the preacher, okay? I'm not just, trying to like preach to you guys. Like, it's something that we all have to be really conscious of because of the dangers of these products over time. But I also do want to touch on the fact that why are women still relaxing their hair in 2023? Now, I'm not here to shame women because I understand where it comes from. Originally in the United States, women were relaxing their hair to assimilate, to get jobs. Black women didn't necessarily relax their hair by choice originally here in the United States. It was a requirement for work, and so it was a means of survival. Now, oftentimes when you ask Black women why they relax their hair, it's their preference. Maintenance is difficult. They don't know how to maintain their natural hair. They don't know how to. They don't want to. They have a lot of different reasons now, but I do want to emphasize the harmful effects on Black women's health, not only physically, but psychologically, mentally, and emotionally as well. I strongly believe that Black women achieve a certain level of self-love. When you wear your hair the way it grows out of your own scalp, it's a sign of self-acceptance, self-love, and appreciation of your natural beauty, your real beauty. But it, of course, is a choice. Black women can choose to do whatever they want with their bodies, their hair, their lives. Okay, but I do think that it's important for every Black woman to at least explore their natural hair, learn what your hair needs, learn how to take care of it, and cultivate the best natural hair that they can, especially considering all the harmful ramifications of chemically relaxing your hair. But at the end of the day, no judgment at all. Listen, I have loved ones who I love and care for deeply who relax their hair sometimes. They don't feel like they have the time or the energy or the desire to learn their natural hair. To each their own. But I'm here to encourage you, if you do have the desire to pursue your natural hair growth, go ahead and do it. There's a reason why you have that desire in your heart. I hope that you are able to find the products that best serve your hair, and I hope that you're able to find the maintenance routine that best serves your hair as well. If you are seeking natural products to use for your hair, Love Light Locks is available for you at KeishaCharmaine.com. We have horsetail infused products. What is horsetail? Horsetail is an herb that contains silica, selenium, cysteine. These are excellent for your hair growth, for hair strengthening, hair sheen. Horsetail leaf growth oil is the bestseller on my shop, and I have amazing reviews. You can check out the reviews on my shop as well as on my Instagram. I have way more reviews on my Instagram because I just recently added the review feature onto my website. So if you want to see lengthy testimonials, definitely check out my Instagram testimonials. I'll have that link down below as well. If you're desiring a moisturizer, the Rose Water Moisturizer is available as well. Check out all that my shop has to offer. What's currently on sale: the satin lined hats, the long head wraps, our gel, and it has peppermint oil in there, so it has that lovely smell and that lovely tingle. It's also on sale. It's water-based, so it washes out pretty easily. It also contains horsetail, bamboo, and aloe, and a little goes a long way. So I hope this video helps someone. I hope it helps a lot of people, actually. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.